In today's video, I'm going to show you Dispute Beast versus Credit Versio 2026. Which credit repair software wins? When comparing Dispute Beast versus Credit Versio in 2026 as tools to help DIY credit repair, neither is an outright scam, but they serve slightly different purposes and may suit different users depending on how much automation, guidance, and compliance-based power you want. Dispute Beast is primarily an AI-powered credit repair software platform designed to automate deep, compliance-based dispute letters and attack cycles that can challenge inaccurate or outdated items on your credit report. It uses an AI engine to analyze your credit reports, generate dispute letters tailored to legal standards, including Metro 2 formatting and FCRA references, and helps you systematically push these disputes every 40 days, which many credit improvement experts consider a modern way to approach credit repair. It's aimed at doing more than just sending template letters. The automation, monitoring integration, and structured cycles set it apart from simple letter generators. Dispute Beast also offers credit monitoring, tracking, and a reported money-back guarantee if you don't see score improvements over time, and users on Trustpilot give it strong overall ratings. Credit Versio, on the other hand, is more of a DIY credit repair software tool that helps you import your 3-bureau credit reports and guides you through creating dispute letters for all negative accounts. Its AI and automation assist with identifying damaging trade lines and preparing letters that you then print and mail yourself, without the full attack cycles and deeper compliance automation offered by Dispute Beast. Pricing is typically just the cost of a linked 3-bureau monitoring subscription from about $19.95, $29.95 month plus postage, which keeps it relatively affordable compared with full-service options, and many users find it easy to use and helpful for guided dispute letter creation. Real-world reviews for Credit Versio are mixed. Some users report solid score improvements and helpful automation, while others say results were minimal after several months or felt the service didn't live up to expectations. That variability is common with DIY credit repair tools. Outcomes depend a lot on your specific credit profile and how accurately the disputes are crafted. In simple terms, Dispute Beast is generally more powerful and sophisticated for users who want aggressive, compliance-heavy dispute strategies backed by AI monitoring and deeper automation, while Credit Versio is a lighter, more affordable DIY tool that helps you handle basic disputes across the 3 bureaus with less technical overhead. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.